In this guide, you'll learn how to fix your My Location not working on iPhone. First thing you want to do is launch your settings, navigate to the option Privacy and Security, then tap on the option Location Services. Make sure you have enabled for the option Location Services, then click on the option Share My Location. Make sure you have enabled this. If you use multiple Apple devices, confirm that it's set to this device, otherwise you may be sharing the wrong location without realizing it. Next, go back and scroll down. Click on the option System Services. Then make sure Share My Location is enabled and that Find My iPhone is also turned on. After that, tap Search at the bottom of Settings. Type Messages and launch it. Click on Location and set it to while using the app or ask next time while I share and turn on precise location. Repeat this step by searching for Find My. Open the Find My app settings, tap Location, set it to while using the app and enable precise location. If the issue still is not fixed, perform a force restart by quickly pressing volume up then volume down and holding the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the phone restarts, try sharing your location again. If it's still not working, launch settings, tap your Apple ID at the very top, scroll down, sign out of your account without erasing data, then sign back in and test your My Location again. This final step often resolves persistent syncing issues. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.